Hey garden friends, this is Pam, Flower Patch Farmhouse, and I'm out and about running some errands, but I thought I would go by one of my favorite nurseries. You've been here with me before, but I'm also testing my microphone on my phone. So last time the traffic noise was so terrible and it caused disturbance. So I'm going to give my microphone a really rigorous test. So let's go shopping for some fall annuals, perennials, whatever. I have wanted to up my hosta game. I have an area that I would like to put a few beautiful hostas, and I have 3 different ones, and I would like to add another. And they here have had some beautiful hostas in the past, so we'll see what they've got. And yeah, let's just go in and do some shopping. So we're in the parking lot closest to the highway and see, just really quick, if the microphone helps before we walk in. So they had their fountains on sale, so I'm going to go check out and see what they have them at. Oh, look at all the pumpkins. I love those green, lumpy looking ones. Oh, look at the mums too. Just gorgeous. I love the sound of water. Ooh, this one's for $300 now. Not a bad price. Gorgeous. Big baskets of pansies. Aren't they gorgeous? I think they're priced at $21, so not bad for a big display like that. First thing I'm going to do, oh look, roses 50% off. Ooh, I shouldn't have seen that. Let's see. They probably are mostly grafted, which I aim for own root, so that will help me to resist. But they are so pretty. 50% off. That is so tempting. That one's usually $40. That means it's $20. Ooh, nope, I'm not going to do it. I'm going to behave. So this is Zimmerman's Hilltop Nursery near San Andreas, California. Oh, some tree roses. Oh, I wanted some more of those for my rose garden. Burgundy iceberg. No, I'm still not going to do it, guys. I'm going to behave. Okay, over here. We're going to go for the hostas. I'm getting distracted. Squirrel brain. Okay, let's over here see. That is Queen of Hearts Brunnera. Ooh, that's kind of pretty. Oh, you know what? I don't see, their hostas look like they're all gone unless they have them inside, which is possible. So let's see what they got around here. So there is some, I love bougainvillea. Look at that, isn't it gorgeous? But it won't live for me, and I don't even think I could overwinter it in my greenhouse effectively enough, or I would go for it. Go for it indeed. Let's see, what have we got going on over here? Is some Moody Blue Speedwell. Oh, Veronica. Okay. Oh, look at this. Now, this won't live over winter for me either, but I do love that salvia with the black bracts. So pretty. More salvias over here. They have fruit trees, vines, and grasses way back there. And lavenders here. I'm going to go on in here and see what else they've got. Love the mums. You know, one thing about mums is I can overwinter them. And they'll come back for me next year. In fact, I have a pot that's about to come into bloom now. And though it's not as full as this, probably because I didn't fertilize it, I wish I should have, it's still going to bloom. So it's a win. I just needed to treat it better, and it probably would have done better. So over here's some grasses, which I think are pretty in the summer. I don't always have great success with them coming back well, so I will pass on those as well. Here they have a few proven winner selections. Pardon my purple. Minarda, I have that one. Leading Lady Plum. I don't know if I have that one. Let's see, some heucheras. Those are pretty. Oh, look at that. Oh wow. This is massive flower. Look at that thing. It's big as my hand. That is called One in a Melon. Oh. that may end up in my cart, even though I'm not here for that at all. Let's see, more Brunnera. 20% off this table. Let's see, what is this over here? Let's see, that is Veronica Blue Skywalker. That is a pretty one. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, that's Magic Shows. Okay. I have been wanting this, and they didn't have it all summer, so I'm gonna have to go get a cart, guys. Look at that. I want that one for sure. The white one. All right. Let's see. Over here, Magic Show Purple Illusion. That is the one that I have in my rose cottage garden that is so gorgeous and is still blooming now. It has a little bit of powdery mildew, but it's still gorgeous. Okay. So as I was filming, my microphone started cutting out. I don't know where the connection went wrong, but right as I found the White Wands Veronica. I had looked for all summer long. You probably heard me say that if I leave that clip in. And so I loaded 3 of those up on the cart, and they're going to go beautifully, I'm thinking, in the rose cottage garden, because they will be such a nice contrast for the roses. And then I bought 2 more phlox. They were a shorter, earlier blooming phlox. Phlox do beautiful for me. So far the gophers have left them alone. So they also went into my cart. And as I was going over, I spotted the hostas, the table of hostas. They were on 50% off. And then I totally must have hit the wrong button. Did not video as I was looking through those. But I do show them in my cart and which ones I bought. I don't remember the names. I'll put them up on the screen. And then I will take you along when I plant them. I'll show you exactly where to plant them, how I plant them, and all of that in an upcoming video, which should be fun. I'm so thrilled for that area. It's where I have the one bench. And I don't sit in that bench. It's kind of a catch-all where I set things. And so I'm going to move it. I'm going to move that bench and have a shade garden. I don't have a shade garden. But I also found, what else did I find there? Oh, they had dianthus. They had this most beautiful color of dianthus. I was tempted by them, but I really am trying not to spend any more money on plants right now. The White Wands Veronica, yes, that was been on my wish list all summer for that was great. The phlox were great too. All of what I got this time was great. But as far as just to plug plants in because they caught my eye and not because they were something that I was wanting or planning on or had on my wish list, I went by that because you know what? We are only probably going to have nice enough weather to enjoy the plants for another maybe 3 weeks. So it's not worth it to me to spend that money right now. I want to save that money for maybe some seeds this winter for things I really want to get and or other things. So I restrained myself from buying those plants. But these I did pick up at Home Depot when I bought some bargain rack boxwoods. And I'm going to take you on the journey of planting those up and how I do that and where I'm putting them. But these, I wanted to do a container. Now, these are just in their little pots in here soaking so they don't dry out. But these little short, look at that purple. These asters with these coreopsis here. And I need to deadhead this one so that it will continue to bloom. But these are perennials. I wanted to do like a little container of color sitting right here on my back deck where I can see it from my dining room area and living room. So that is where I went, and these were very inexpensive, so that was not a big purchase. But, let me turn you this way. Look at my bargain rose. I've been meaning to go ahead and put this down in the center of the secret cottage garden, but I have been enjoying this so much on my deck and viewing it from my dining room area that I have no motivation to move it at this time. But if this is going to be fabulous in that centerpiece, if that's what I end up doing with it. I do change my mind frequently. So we'll see. I may put it in the cottage rose garden in a nice spot. So this thing has been blooming nonstop since I transplanted it. And yeah, it's a true winner. And I'll put the name of it up on the screen for you. So anyways, that was my shopping trip to Zimmerman's Hilltop Market at one of my favorite nurseries. And yeah, I found some real bargains. It was worth the trip. I wasn't going to go. I wasn't in the mood to go anywhere, but I had to go out and get chicken feed. And I thought, I'm just going to treat myself to a little walk through their garden center because they had said they were going to have some fall, things like the violas, and they had the big baskets of the pansies, and I just wanted to take a peek. So that's what I did, and of course I couldn't come home without all my goodies. All right, I hope to see you in my next video.